Alright guys, let's get started with the Arrma Kraton EXB. Got some ramps set up right here. Whoa! I am running that limited slip in the rear, by the way. Let's try another backflip. Here we go. There, that was a nice one. If you guys are liking the Arrma Kraton EXB, hit that thumbs up for me. Really helps out the channel, helps out this video. What do you guys think? I think we should jump over this. I think we're gonna hit it right along here, guys. Maybe over there. Here we go. Hit it with a little speed. We're gonna be on pavement though. Oh! Let's bring it back. May come up right here. Nice! Let's go ahead and bring it back. Whoa! Ooh, we landed it upright. We haven't broke anything yet, which is kind of surprising. Alright guys, I already broke something on the EXB. Something with the wing broke. The back of the wing mount. Oh wow, it just broke the screw. Screw that goes right there completely broke. This EXB, this whole wing area hasn't been very sturdy. I mean, I did probably just land on pavement, but still, come on. Yeah, it snapped the screw. I can see the screw head still in there. That is a bummer. So yeah, now it looks all messed up because it is all messed up. EXB has not been a very reliable machine for me, guys, overall, I have to say. I've seen a lot of other people who have had issues with the EXB where the EXB hasn't lived up to any of the... It hasn't lived up to any of its reputation where it's supposed to be extreme bash. It's been far from it for me. I've had nothing but diff issues with mine. It's been a while since I've had those issues, but it seems like every single time I have this thing out, it breaks. So as for extreme bash, I wouldn't say this thing's extreme anything. Extremely unreliable, maybe. We'll keep on ripping it. So yeah, that's another piece I got to get fixed. Whoa! EXB's ripping through the snow, guys. Let's go back up on top of the snow pile, guys. Here we go. Whoa! Let's go ahead and hit the ramp. What do you guys think? Here we go. Whoa! I kind of missed the ramp. Let's hit the ramp again. Ooh, that was like a double. Bringing it back, guys. We're going to hit it right here. Nice. Ah, crap. We hit low voltage mode, I think. She's done. If you did like the video, please hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps out the channel. Also helps out this video. And I will see you guys in another video. Later.